This video tutorial demonstrates how to schedule a Google Meeting using your calendar. Start by clicking on the 9 dots to access the calendar. Next, select the date you want the meeting to start by clicking on it. A box will appear where you can add the title of the meeting. Set the date. And specify the time. Once done, click on the box again. A drop-down menu will appear, allowing you to choose how often you want the meeting to occur. Options include every weekday, annually, monthly, weekly, daily, or as a one-time event. Select your preferred frequency. After selecting the frequency, add Google Meet Conferencing to generate a meeting ID. Click on More Options if you want to attach any files or documents to the meeting. You can also set up email or phone notifications for reminders. If you want to invite guests to the meeting, click on Add Guest and enter their email addresses. Once everything is set, click on Save. You'll then be prompted to decide whether to send invitation emails through Google Calendar. Choose according to your preference, and you'll have a recurring meeting scheduled for the specified time and frequency. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.